Okay, I just received this clamp mount for, GoPro or any of those sports cameras. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out, see what it looks like. All right, so here's the parts inside. This looks like it's some type of clamp for a phone. And this is the name of it, by the way. And there's got to be a way that you can open it. We'll set that to the side for now. All right, this is your typical GoPro cheapy hookups. Gives you an extra one of these thingamabobs, which is always nice. Leave that in there for now. And this looks like the clamp itself. I'm hoping that this is what I need. So I can get rid of this junk over here. So this is all steel, which is good. I think this is going to work great. Oh yeah, look at this. This thing opens up pretty wide and clamps down good. And then up here you can move this around. So if you want to put your GoPro up here, bam, and then you can clamp it right onto your bar, just like that. Oh look, and you can use it as a torture device. Ow, oh, geez, that thing's tight. Oh yeah, you could squeeze somebody's finger in here really good. So that's how it would go on your bar. And then you put your camera up here, your hookup. It's got one of these little doohickeys right here that you can just go like this. Just like that. And then, oh, I'm gonna lose my finger. All right, so this is on there now. And now you can attach your camera to it using this. You would slide it right in there. So let me grab. So all the GoPro cameras, and I mean basically almost every single camera has the same system. I'm just going to use this one for now. Even the GoPros, which are the more expensive ones, have these little hookups on the bottom. So what you would do is take this and you're going to shove it in there like that. Now remember that the clamp does not go, look, it's already recording. The clamp does not come with a camera. So you have to have your own camera. So let's just go ahead and put that in there. And so basically that's it right there. And then you can clamp this to your bike, and now you've got your camera clamped on your bike. And bam, there you go. You're rolling along, videotaping. There it is. And like I said, you can change the attitude on this. This, of course, you want facing forward, but you can change it, if you want to bend it down so it's pointing up or pointing this way, whatever. However, I would keep it straight, so if you're going to be taping, depending on how your bar is, So you just got to get it in there. And then you can change it a little bit here, too, by tightening this down. But that's basically it right there. And then you just hook that right onto your bike, and Bob's your uncle. So unscrew that, and then this one here would go in like this. Okay, so now you've got it on there, and you're saying, well, wait a minute, how are we supposed to, if we got this connected onto the bar, this turns here, like this. You can put it sideways, and then bring it around this way. So there you go. Now you can hook it to your bar and you can put your iPhone in there. Let's grab an iPhone. I'll show you. All right, so here we have an iPhone. I'll just set it in here like this. And we're just going to pull this up. And then you can slide it over a little bit. And bam, there you are. Ready to go. Then you got to tighten this down because you don't want your iPhone falling out. So, and then that'll just set in there. So I'm just going to turn it like this. All right, now it's in there nice and locked up. So now if you want to go down the thing this way, of course I got the camera facing the wrong way. So you could turn it around. Here, let me do that. Go like this. I'm going to put the camera in the up position. All right, there. So now, here you are. You're riding on your bike, and bam, you can see. Let's go ahead and we'll just go ahead and open up the camera on this. Of course, to do that, I gotta put the code in. All right, so here we are. We're in here. Let's open up this camera, and now you can just go and do your thing. I'm gonna slide it over a little bit. So as you can see, if I do want to do video, there I am. Just going around. And bam, Bob's your uncle. This is an iPhone 10. And that's how it works, just like that. So you can put that right on your, just like you did this, you put that right on your bar, lock it down, and let's turn that off. And then you can go and video record as you're driving on your bike. All right, so there's the setup, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on the bike and see what we think. I think it's gonna work great. So we're gonna try it out and see. So if you look at this mechanism here, this is how it works. So you loosen it here, okay? And then this will rotate around wherever you want to point it. You can point it anywhere you want. You can even get to the side and do this. Look, I mean, you've got like 360 rotation on it, okay? So then whenever you get it where you want it, you just got to tighten it down. And then basically it's a ball in a socket, just like your hip. And that's it right there, bam. Now you can turn it by loosening this and then just kind of shifting this. If you look on the bottom, you see how it changes? And so if you want it straight ahead, you want to keep it straight ahead, you just kind of put it here and then lock it down. So the way to do that is first to put it on the bike, right? So you're going to get it on the bike, you're going to tighten it down, and then you're going to get the direction that you want this pointed in, then you're going to tighten that down. And that locks it right in there, just like that. So to get it on the bike, I just slide it over the bar, and I'm going to just twist this, and that locks it in. Bam, done. Now we're ready to rock. Now here, turn it, and this gives you all of your movement that you need on it. You can even get it in this slot here. And you know, if you want to shoot straight up, there you go. You can do whatever you want. But you're going to have to manipulate it. Like if you want to shoot your portrait on this side, you're going to have to put that little crease or that little thing there, and then you can lock it down. So it's up to you. You got to figure that out. But I'm just going to probably shoot it this way. I'm going to tighten it like that. Now we're on there. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to party, man. I'm going to do a whole video all the way up to the beach, shooting it just like that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out. All right, here we go. Looking pretty good, right? Seems to be working. All right.